Hello, PMP aspirants and project managers. Let's take a short look or note about project charter. There is always a little confusion between project charter, contracts, agreements, or team charter. Project charter is nothing but a small formal document. When I say small, it could be one page or two page, which will have a high level detail about the project. When a contract getting signed, when an agreement is getting signed between the companies, that is the legal document. They're saying that a program or a project or initiative is getting started. Now, from here, we have to get to the stage of implementing it. When I want to implement it, I may need a project manager to do this job. So, what we'll do here is the organization which is going to do this project. And now they will create, or a sponsor of the project will create a one page or two page document, which we call it as a formal document. But here, only one person will sign, either the sponsor or a program manager, portfolio manager, or maybe a PMO will sign. So when one person is signing, it's only a formal document. It is not a legal document. Now here it will have a detail about what is the project at a high level, scope, couple of lines, and it will have maybe some of the risk items, some of the goals to be achieved, some of the key stakeholders, some of the assumptions, the timeline of the project, some deliverables, some cost factor. Hardly one page you will have information. Ideally, a project charter will give a authorization for a project manager. Imagine I'm a project manager. I have authorization to run this project because I have a project charter with me. It shows a project exists. It shows my authority to utilize a resource in the organization to make this project successful. So there comes a project charter. So project charter can take a couple of inputs. Usually it takes agreements, contracts, business case, cost benefit analysis, why the project exists. And you take this and you use some experts in the markets, SMEs, or sometimes project manager also can involve to give some inputs. Finally, the output is one page document. Usually don't change the project charter very drastically. If we change it, it's going to have a big impact. So a project charter is a beautiful formal document for the project manager to show that, hey, it exists, a project exists. I'm the authorized person to run this project. And there are some, again, the confusion between charter and team charter. When you say team charter comes a little later in the game. The word team says it is the ground rules or understanding between the team. So, how the team is going to work, what kind of communication they're going to make, what kind of conflict management they're going to do. So, these all will be in the team charter. So, agreement and contract is all legal documents which is signed by both the party. When it comes to project charter, it is a formal document, but it's not legal because only a CEO, sponsor, or a portfolio manager or a PMO will sign on that. It authorizes a project manager to run the show, and the team charter is all about team details, not more than that. So you can find this project charter template anywhere in the website, or you can see in the PMI, or you can reach out to ShriLearning. We can share you the template on that. Good wishes for your learning. It's a quick learn about project charter.